and Company Group, Juan Carlos Prada Valderrama. Columbus started in operation in Bahamas in 2004 and entered the retail market in Curaçao in the year 2010. The technology was and will be very important for the growth of the company since its sales and service have to wide the communication sector. In its growth has been achieved thanks to its global vision when acquired. Import companies shows a network as when registering its shares in the stock market which allow European companies to call their attention and decision when they buy their shares. This instant working, the company had to make large investing in human talent, having grand benefits such as medical plan, incentive for office, achieving committing for its people, and the total gratitude was focused on achieving great sales and good service. In a company, if the commercial do not sell, the company does not grow because of more technology advances than have been made. The company was known for its service, big warranting its own submarine networks that have protected the information of the company. Therefore, they threw in Columbus and to one would have no have an internet crash. Columbus started its operation in Bahamas in 2004. The company entered the retail market in Curaçao. The company investing in submarine cable which arrived from Florida to Cartagena. Columbus was the first owner of underwater feeder optic network. The new cable was the best performance while the connection to the United States. For its growth, Columbus has bought companies like Lazos and Network. Its entry into the stock market allowed Europa company as the decade of global liberty to make the decision to be acquired. Having coming to my company to achieve its growth in sales and warranting my beneficios that to have many companies. Customer loyalty has been achieved with the provision of the service. If the pays the client have to submit to why the company provision the service will provided. Nowadays, everything have changed and the service is performed according to the needs of the client. Thank you.